back to my channel. My name is Vedant. So today I am gonna show you some basic yoga asanas which will benefit you in your daily life. So let's start with the first one. So I will show you the exercise and I will voice over it.
This asana is Chakrasana. The first step to do this is to adjust your hand and full body position as you are comfortable with. Then try to lift your body with your hands to upward direction. Then take your hands and legs closer to each other as much as you can. This is how the Chakrasana is done. It reduces your stress and tension, sharpens your eyesight, as we know, helps to strengthen the back and increase the elasticity of spine. It is beneficial for asthma patients because the chest expands and your lungs get more oxygen. By lying flat on your stomach, bring your hands closer to the chest, then pull your upper body upward and let your lower body be down. Then you are at a perfect Shavasana. Benefits of Shavasana: strengthen the spine, arms and wrist, stimulate your abdomen organ, stretches your chest, lungs and shoulders. This asana is Sarvangasana. Lie down on your back, raise your legs slowly upward and bring it to 90-degree angle. Place the palm on your back for support, then try to bring your legs towards the direction of head with the help of palm. Benefit: it calms the brain and helps to release stress. It stretches the shoulder and neck, tones the legs and butt. It also improves the digestion process. Hold your knees, hold your ankle with your hand. Try to lift your chest off the ground as high as possible. Now try to maintain the position for 30 to 60 seconds. This is how the Dhanurasana is done. Benefits of the Dhanurasana: stretches the entire body, ankles, thighs, abdomen, chest, etc. Strengthens the back muscle, improve posture, stimulate abdomen and neck. This asana is Bakasana. Sit on your toes, rest your palms on the floor. Try to lift your body weight on the arms, then engage the core of your body. Then shift forwards on the arms, then try to balance for 10 to 15 seconds. Benefits of Bakasana: strengthen your arms, core, shoulder, then improves your balancing power and also makes your wrist stronger.